Hi viewers, how are you? Today we are coming for a different topic of the video. You are watching thread spool dear ideas. You are watching different unique and simple ideas for decoration of thread spools. You are watching the a decoration piece with jute and spool thread spool. You are watching another wall hanging, door hanging, wind chime. You are watching a simple and easy uh, idea. You are watching another idea of uh, the spool thread spool decoration. You are watching on the screen simple and easy unique formula ideas of the spool thread spools, recycling thread spools decoration. You are watching different items, different designs, needle and thread spools decoration model. You are watching another idea of decoration, home decor. You are watching different wall hanging, different designs using old thread spools, wooden thread spools, and you are watching using for thumb pins. You are watching uh, scissor hanging with thread spool. You are watching thumb pin holder making with the old thread spool. You are watching well decorated thread spools wall hanging. You are watching a necklace making with the small thread spools. Beautiful idea. You are watching a wall hanging made with the old thread spool. You are watching artificial flowers hanger made with thread spool. You are watching cartoon characters for kids. You are watching the necklace or door hanging, wall hanging made with thread spools. You are watching the honey bee, like you are watching the necklace, different designs. You are watching a frame made with the old thread spools painted on a bottle. You are watching uh, artificial flower arrangement wall hanging. You are watching the old thread spools decorated. You are watching a well decorated with keys old thread spools. You are watching decorated and organized in the bottle old thread spools. You are watching a doll made with the old thread spools. You are watching a bird house made with